Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 3. This is Sector 57. We are nearly connected to the main golf course extension road, and this plot size is 250 square yards. This is a 3-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started with the configuration and the floor plan of this specific house. This location where I'm standing right now, this is the foyer section. Since we are mainly connected to the entrance, this is a beautiful round shaped false ceiling design given to the roof, and this is a chandelier above me, a beautiful crystal chandelier. This specific portion of the house has an Italian flooring on the surface. This is a small metal wall which has an engineered wood. This is again a wooden design given underneath and above for the bifurcation of the formal living space, which is on your right hand side. This is the sample decoration which the developer has done. The Daikin air conditioning system. You've got the Erica palm plants, a canvas artistic painting. This is your electrification system. That's your plain wall out here. This is again going to be a plain wall, and this is again going to be a plain wall for your customization that you can do over a period of time. This portion where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living space cum dining space of the house. Reason we are next connected to the kitchen, which is bang opposite to me. On the ceiling there I see the design is square in shape. This is again a square trapezoidal shaped design. You've got chandelier above me, a beautiful painting on the surface. You'll see all Italian. The switches are all modular. This is a running countertop of kitchen which is given here. Above this we have a floating shelf wherein some of the grains are kept. We'll cover up the kitchen a little later once we cover up the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of this house, which has a storage system on my right hand side, a moving shelf on the left. You've got some paintings, a rectangular shape false ceiling. The tiling work is done on the surface. This is also connected with the balcony here. This is the front balcony of the house, a running long balcony, casement aluminium. That's called casement aluminium. This is a granite top. You've got the wet area. इधर आपका split AC का external लगेगा. ये आपका wet area हो गया. और आपका drainage vessel इसके पीछे में दिया हुआ है. This has a pocket window of the kitchen which is going to open this way. ऊपर में आपका geyser लगाए हुए Crompton का rapid jet. This is again the first bedroom of the house, and you get the natural sunlight flowing inside your home. Show them the surroundings a little bit. Surroundings कैसी लगती है इस जगह की? This is all UPVC. This is a small slider fixed window which has a slider with this, a pocket window which has a mesh door inbuilt inside the same. This is your washroom space. Natural stone on the countertop. Fittings are by Kohler. Vanity looks to be beautiful. A huge mirror followed by an LED light. You've got an exhaust fan stuff to keep your cabinetries down here. This has a wall mount commode seat. All tiling work done on the walls. These are like designer tiles. These are like simple tiling work on the surface. All sanitary fittings are by Kohler. This is the hallway of the house once again. Formal living space में मैं आपको ये चीज़ दिखाना भूल गया था. एक अच्छा सा wooden empanelment running long design दिया हुआ है. This is a teak brown color design, and that's a showcase watch. Showcase that watch. If you buy this, we'll give you for free, I promise. Get inside from the entrance है, entrance के पास में hallway है पूरा. इधर से second bedroom के अंदर हम लोग आ गए हैं. This is the second bedroom of the house. It's quite a huge room which has tiles on the surface. You've got the closet, the wooden console in your front. You've got the grouping done on the false ceiling. It's a square shaped design. This is the provisioning for an air conditioning system. A beautiful vanity by Kohler. This is your exhaust window, which is called the ventilation window. A Modi guard mirror which has an LED light. पूरे वॉशरूम में लेफ्ट राइट में सारा टाइल्स दिया हुआ है. नीचे में आपका टाइल्स है सरफेस पे. These are again tiles. Wall mount commode seat is by Kohler. A normal ceiling design is given here. This is again a glass size pocket window. This is fixed, but this also has a slider. That's your external AC का उधर लगाया हुआ है. This is a laminated wooden flooring. This is not a proper wooden flooring. This is tiling work done, so you get the natural sunlight from this side as well of the house. This is the third bedroom of the house. You've got the floating shelf. This is leatherite, a good quality door. Paintings are hung because just to showcase you how you can decorate your stuff. Again, a small floating design shelf. You've got the air conditioning system by Daikin. Above me you see a fan. This is all Italian on the surface. This also has a balcony connected to the back side. This is the back side balcony. This is a small balcony, not that huge but not that small. It's compact and competent. All metal railings. Tough material has been used. This is the granite stone with metal railing. And there is a washer's vessel, the wet area. We can show the drainage vessel as well. This is your water geyser. That's again new PVC used. On the right hand side you'll see the closet, the wardrobe section of the house. Beneath down you've got the shoe racks, and above you can place your clothes. This is again a beautiful sanity, a mirror by Modi guard. This is an LED hung above it. Vanity looks to be beautiful by Kohler. Normal stone, natural, countertop granite. This is all tiling work done on the surface. These are like designer tiles. These are like normal design. You've got the space for your upholstery towel stand, wall mount commode seat, and fan above me is by Havens. This is the storage space to keep your stuff here. So this was all about the third bedroom of the house. Let's get inside to the hallway. I'm just loving this design. This is beautiful. Now we'll cover up the kitchen part. This is the kitchen of the house, which is an open kitchen. You've got the waterfall design here. ये waterfall design है थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि waterfall भी ऐसे ही होता है. तो ये design आपका island kitchen से थोड़ा मिलता जुलता है. You've got the countertop which is stain free, doesn't gonna catch any stain in the near future. These are all crystal cabinets. Chimney hob is by CAF. This is again your storage space. This is the space where you can place your stuff. These are some stuff given here. ये आपका cutlery वगैरह आप यहाँ रख सकते हो. This is to keep your again some of the small utensils. The place to keep your multi-grains. This has a beautiful design. I might want to showcase this. Is this not okay? This is gonna come out. इतना ही बाहर आएगा ये, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा. आप देख सकते हैं ये रनिंग डिज़ाइन है. यहाँ पर मैं अपना डिश वॉशर लगा सकते हैं if you want to. This is again a design given here for your storage. This is the pocket window given here on the left hand side. You might want to open it in the morning hours when you're cooking something for your loved ones, and in the evening hours so that you can enjoy the pure breeze. And this is going to help you for the ventilation. This is a normal sink given with the washer's vessel. This also has the dry area wherein you wash your utensils in your pocket upstairs. This is for your oven. This is a small storage space. Again, storage is like huge in this part. पूरा का पूरा अच्छे से डिज़ाइन करा हुआ है. काउंटर टॉप दिया हुआ है बेहतर. और you talk about the tiling work, it's like amazing. Now on the surface you'll see this is a laminated teak brown tile which is used. Let's finally sign off. Thank you so very much for watching us. You were watching Anupam Gambhir from Stair Experts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. Stay tuned. Thank you.